10 Best AI Deepfake Apps and Websites. Deepfake videos and pictures are trending with the rise of artificial intelligence. If you'd like to play with the technology, learn about it, or have fun with your friends, here is a list of the 10 best and the most accurate deepfake apps and websites you can use. Disclaimer: this video does not promote anyone using deepfake technology and urges readers to use the apps and websites ethically. Don't misuse them for illegal purposes. Always refrain from using anyone else's pictures, videos without appropriate permission. Our channel covers a variety of AI technology, from educational content to entertainment and everything in between. Whether you're looking to learn something new, stay up to date on current events, or just relax and have a good time, there's something here for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Deepfakes Web is the first service on our list that allows users to create deepfake videos using a web application. This tool uses deep learning to absorb various complexities of face data and then generates the result using the data. It takes around 4 hours to learn and train from the video or image input. Zao Deepfake App. Zao is a Chinese deepfake application that first went viral in 2019 and has been in the headlines ever since. This app is capable of doing what Deepfakes Web does in minutes. You can choose a video clip from its library, which includes scenes from famous drama series and movies like Friends, The Office, etc. Reface is probably the oldest deepfake creation app in the world. This application simplifies the process by allowing you to choose your image and superimpose it on any other image, meme, or GIF. It uses face-swapping AI to achieve that with utter perfection. Wombo Deepfake App. Wombo is another viral application that allows users to create deep-fake lip-syncing videos. There is a high chance that you may already know about it or have seen videos created using it. A lot of people use it to make funny videos or prank their friends with theirs. FaceApp is the next application that allows users to generate deep fake photos using artificial intelligence. This app provides a wide range of effects, backgrounds, and filters to alter the real appearance of an image and make your deep fake turn out to be highly realistic. DeepFaceLab is a full-fledged Windows program to create deepfake videos. It is mainly developed for researchers and students to study the technology and learn about deepfakes. This tool uses machine learning and human image synthesis to replace faces in videos. Jiggy is the next great deepfake app on our list that allows you to generate deepfake GIFs using a very simple procedure. This app can superimpose your or your friend's face on any GIF within moments. Just select the picture and the GIF that you want to use it in, and you'll be done. FaceMagic is one more AI-based face-swapping app that allows you to create deepfakes when used wisely. You can use faces of your selection on videos and images using this app. It has a highly user-friendly interface that provides prompts to perform face swaps. Lensa AI is the latest viral sensation on our list, which has been making headlines lately. It isn't a deep fake generator, but allows you to create photorealistic portraits of yourself using a few selfies. You must upload shots of yourself from different angles and generate portraits within minutes. Before we dive into our list of top tools, we want to remind you to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos and content. Plus, it helps us continue to create and share valuable information with you. So before we take a look at the #1 tool from our list, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Thank you. MyHeritage AI App. MyHeritage is another AI-powered app that went heavily viral in recent times. The app offers a deep nostalgia feature that allows you to animate old photos. It is not a full-fledged deepfake generator, but you can upload your pictures, press the animate button, and get animated versions of your images.